Hey guys, so a couple of you wanted me to do a quick TA on Big C and just kind of give you guys an update. Me personally, I like Big C as a long-term play. I am holding a $40,000 position on Big C. Unfortunately, for those of you that have like options or only want to swing trade or hold this short term, it doesn't look that well right now. On the day chart, we're still bullish, but basically everything else, we're headed towards a bearish market. Everything right now looks completely bearish, especially on the 1 hour chart. We were actually going to break towards the bullish side, but we actually just we stopped consolidating and we are actually breaking towards the bearish side right now. If we do break the $75 price and we go down under this, I do fully expect us to go back down to $70 for Big C. So if you guys are holding this short term, expect to hold this a little bit longer. It's not rallying like I thought it was going to rally. Like I thought it was going to rally all the way to 93. But the momentum on this is really, really sucky right now. So it sucks. But on the day chart, we're still bullish. 30 minutes, you know, everything looks super bearish. Like I said, I would not be surprised if we end up this week sometime like around $70. So if you guys are holding this short term, expect to hold it a little bit longer.